This is a machine which helps us to remove the back glass of the cell phone. This is XS Max. Now it's running the windows. The machine will turn on and we will run the program. And after removing the glass, we will put the new glass on the back of the phone. So it's broken, so we have to new one. As you can see, I have loaded the sketch in the program and I will run this red light, and this red light shows where the laser will work. It shouldn't go on the lens, not on the edges too much. All those things has to be taken care of. Now the laser is going through the glass and removing the rubber or glue under the glass. So it will separate easily. But we do have to remove this glass. But it's like burning the glue under the glass. According to that sketch. This machine keep passing again and again and again until the rubber burns and the glass will turn black everywhere. Now after removing the glass, there is a residue of glue is still left behind. So we will put the laser and remove that residue also. We will cover some parts where the laser is going through the gaps and it can damage the flexible cable underneath or maybe the screen, so that's why we are putting the tape. It's just a hack, but there is a protector molds available in the market. You can put it on and just start the laser. This is how we are covering every place where the laser is going between the gaps. That's the laser machine. On the screen, you can see the same sketches loaded.